In robotics and automated systems, what the students learn is they get to walk through a variety of technology. They get to look at building the robot and troubleshooting and testing an electromechanical system. They 3D print and model different parts of the robot and can replace it and make it their own. They do app development. They do Arduino coding. In the Arduino coding, they get to do a dance routine based on a song, and so they all get to pick a different routine and program that and then see whose routine matches that song the best. And it culminates in a robotic arm design challenge where they get an arm that doesn't quite work right and they have to fix it and shape it and make it their own and figure out how to do that with their career connected skills like teamwork and problem solving and design thinking throughout the program. At Milestone C, we maximize student engagement, bring real world career skills to students, and help teachers and schools keep pace with new age technology. Milestone C provides the curriculum, professional development, continuous coaching and support, and equipment and software as the full package for the classroom. Find out more and contact us at milestonec.com.